Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I just want to let you guys know, for my followers, my members who follows me, for now on, live stream, I'm going to be only posting for my members. Today I had a terrible time. Looks like the trolls took over my live stream, and I was so scared, and I couldn't trust anybody. So Carmen Needlecrafts messaged me because I posted on my Instagram page, and she said, "Oh, I missed it." And I replied to her, "Aren't you Needlecrafts, Carmen?" And then she messaged me privately on Instagram saying that yes, she is, but she misses. She didn't put it on her calendar that I had the live stream because I didn't advertise it. I didn't put it on my Instagram. I only posted on YouTube. And unfortunately, it looks like I did a short video. I had 3 thumbs down. So I'm assuming those 3 people were trolls. They were hackers. So they pretended to be Carmen, which Carmen wasn't on live stream. And she said she was so sad. She was so sorry. And she wanted me to let you guys know that it wasn't her who deleted the chat comments. And YouTube is taking its precious time, so it's not posted yet, so I can't see the comments, but I already blocked a couple of people. And if you are my subscriber, I would say open a new page, new YouTube channel, and then follow me again. Other than that, I'm not going to mark anybody for a moderator because I can't trust anybody when I am doing the live stream. And I'm only a small channel. Like, I get 10 people on live stream. So from now on, whoever's following me knows what time and date I usually come up on my live stream. So you can follow me on my next live stream. So I would highly recommend, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends that you can trust, who will not do a troll or a hack on me or any other YouTube hosts, because it's a terrible feeling. And unfortunately, I had to shut the live stream, and I did not give out any time or range that I will be doing the next live stream. So I just wanted to let you guys know it was not Carmen who deleted and blocked people to comment, and just to let you know. And you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next videos, tutorials. Have a great evening. Bye bye.